Rick, something special about all your products is that they are formulated by a doctor.
Yes, they are. And not just any doctor. We actually have a few different doctors that we worked with through the years, but there's typical allopathic physicians, which is like your standard doctor that usually write your prescription, and those doctors are generally not trained in nutrition. Then you have integrated doctors, which are like naturopathic doctors, DOs, doctors of osteopathy, things like that. And there are some MDs that have taken secondary education heavily in biochemistry and nutrition, so they understand about this market. But we use one doctor, a guy named Dr. Mark Stengler. He formulates a lot, he has formulated a lot of these products. He actually has a clinic down here in Southern California, down in Encinitas, and all these formulas he actually uses in his clinic currently. And that's one of the things that's so important to us, because I want to be able to stand here before you and say that these formulas are clinically verified. He runs blood work on his patients. You can take a product and say, oh yeah, it must be working, but how do you really know? You want to be able to actually verify through blood work, through hormone tests, through stool tests, through heavy metals tests, to make sure that you're getting the effects that you need. And that can be measured very effectively through blood work. So these formulas are all clinically verified in a clinical setting under a different label, but nevertheless, they are that. And we sell to many other doctors, many of these products throughout the United States, chiropractors and other doctors in their clinics. So these are clinically verified formulas. That is really crucial. A lot of companies will say, oh yes, we have a doctor on staff and he oversees all of our formulation. Well, the doctor, he doesn't have an active clinical practice. He doesn't verify through seeing patients during the week. That's what we have this year. We have active doctors that are in active clinical practice that utilize these products, formulate these products, so that what you're getting, you're ensured that you're getting something that actually is going to be functional for you. Because it doesn't do you any good what you consume. It only does you good what it does inside of your body. So that's really crucial to have the doctor formulating that's in active clinical practice.
Well,